The 5 best bedtime snacks for weight loss. One. String cheese. String cheese may be processed, but just one serving contains protein and fat to fill you with just 80 calories. String cheese doesn't contain carbohydrate and is thus considered lean protein, with healthy monounsaturated fat. String cheese is rich in calcium and vitamin A, but it may be high in salt content. So it's best to soak it in a bowl of water before eating it, that will draw out the salt. What makes it a good night snack is the amino acid tryptophan, which is a precursor to the hormone melatonin, which helps our bodies sleep, and the happy hormone serotonin that boosts mood. 2. Cereal. Stop reaching for sugary snacks, which are the biggest culprit of weight gain. It may also give you a tummy ache. Whole grain cereal of the complex carb type like oatmeal would be perfect and easily digestible. It also provides you fewer than 200 calories per bowl. Eat a bowl of oatmeal with milk to get a dose of tryptophan and protein included. You can also add a few berries to it too. 3. Non-fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the best prebiotic foods for gut health. It is also a very low-fat, low-calorie food to enjoy at bedtime. You can have a cup or bowl of Greek yogurt that will give you about 150 calories. Full of protein and a dose of tryptophan, which can boost mood and help you sleep. With yogurt, there is no way you're going to wake up with a bloated stomach or indigestion. 4. Apple with peanut butter. Well, you don't need to be told that an apple is a healthy option, but peanut butter? Yes. Peanut butter is loaded with protein and healthy fat, good for your cholesterol. Almond butter is another great option where you won't gain weight. Unless, of course, you add sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, add some organic honey. Research has shown that peanut butter added to a regular diet can increase resting metabolism by 11%. But always be careful in choosing peanut butter and go for the all-natural variety. 5. Chocolate pudding cup non-fat variety. You may be delighted at the sound of this suggestion because the creamy chocolate is easily digestible and there is no fat involved, so you can rest easy. Just one single serve contains only 90 calories. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.